On the home page, there is a ground plan button to the left of the start button. In the lower right corner, there is a new plot. Select the second option, Flight GPS. Then it will appear a set ground name window. You can set a node that is easy to remember. In the video, we'll use 111 as an example. It could be anything you want. Press Confirm. Manually control the drone to take off and fly to the starting point of spring. After hovering the drone, click Add Boundary Point. At this time, a blue number 1 will be generated on the map at the starting point. Repeat this step 3 times to draw the sprayed area. If there are any obstacles in the spray area, fly the drone near the obstacle. Then click the second button from the right side, Obstacle Point. There will be 2 obstacle setting options. The first is the polygon barrier point. Manually control the drone. Use the RBI button to determine 4 points to draw the obstacle area. Click the Confirm button after drawing the area, and there will be a success prompt in the upper left corner. The second is the circle obstacle area. Fly the drone near the obstacle and click RBI. A circular area will be automatically generated. After the planning area is completed, manually fly the drone to the starting point to land. Click the first button in the upper left corner, Block Data. Find the name of your node, then clear the Share button in the lower right corner and click Confirm. Now the ground plan is completed. Go back to the home page. Click the Start button to do spray work. Click on the first task data in the upper left corner. Find the name you just noted at ground plan and click OK. The page can be zoomed in by swiping with 2 fingers. The line with the green check mark means the drone flight path will be parallel to this line. The second last button in the lower right corner is to adjust the route. Here you can adjust the parameters of the route during automatic spraying. Now the video shows the route spacing. You can adjust to a suitable space by clicking the plus and minus signs. The second option is route indentation. The green checkmark position on the map is the direction of the road shrink. You can click on the bottom boundary to shrink the bottom road. Same thing on the left boundary. Click Choose All to shrink all 4 sides. The next option is the obstacle boundary distance. Clicking the plus sign will increase the distance of the road from obstacles. There are 2 options here, cross and turn. Cross means to continue spraying forward after bypassing the obstacle. Turn means that when the drone is approaching an obstacle, it turns around and sprays at the same side area until this area is fully sprayed and then flies to the other side of the obstacle to spray. The gray reverse button below refers to the starting point of the reversal. It makes the drone work from the other side. After all settings are finished, click Start. This window includes pump flow, flying speed, radar switches, and curve turns. Click Confirm. Waiting for the system uploading. Start spraying by swiping right to unlock. The drone is fully automatic flight, including takeoff. You no longer need to operate the remote control, but you can still use the remote to take over the flight at any time. After taking over manually, click the Continue button in the lower right corner to go back to autonomous flight. Choose from 3 options for breakpoints. Spot 1 means to continue spraying from the breakpoint. Stop 2 means stop spraying until the drone automatically flies to the end of the route and is ready to turn. Spot 3 means that the drone immediately switches to the next route for spraying. When the drone is low on battery or pesticides, tap the pause button in the lower right corner. Manually control the drone to land. Before replacing the battery or refilling pesticides, make sure the motor is completely turned off. After replacing the battery, click the first task list on the left. Select Now Job. Find the task you noted. Here you can see the percentage of the spraying area that has been completed. The example in the video is now 39% complete. Click the Start button in the lower right corner. Click Confirm. Swipe right to unlock. At this time, the drone will automatically turn off and return to the breakpoint, and complete the remaining spraying tasks.